Hey fam, it's your girl Bianca. I work for Sportscene and right now we're at the Canal Walk store here to unbox the Disney by Vans collection. Come, let's go check it out. Vans, in collaboration with Disney, have created this collection to celebrate the 90th anniversary of Mickey Mouse. Kicking off the collection, we have the lace-up skate high in this beautiful pink suede with Disney's cutest couple on the side panel. Next in the collection, we have the flaming black and white checkerboard slip-on with Mickey and Minnie Mouse on the canvas upper. Last but not least, let's not forget to kick it old school with the triple wide old school featuring Mickey Mouse's iconic gloves on the heel. If you love this collection as much as I do, cop your pair at one of the selected Sportscene stores or online at sportscene.co.za.